Abhishek Bachchan and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, one of Bollywood's most beloved couples, have been together for 18 years since their marriage in 2007. Through ups and downs, they have always supported each other, building a secure future for their daughter, Aradhya Bachchan. With Abhishek's net worth at 280 crore rupees and Aishwarya's at 776 crore rupees, the couple's wealth is impressive. Their real estate investments, particularly in luxury properties, reflect their taste for sophistication and commitment to securing their family's future. One of their most remarkable assets is their Dubai villa, a true symbol of luxury. Located in the prestigious Sanctuary Falls at Jumeirah Golf Estates, the sprawling residence, purchased in 2015, has become their ideal holiday retreat. Jumeirah Golf Estates is a highly coveted address, known for its high-end villas and stunning views. The Bachchans' property offers a direct view of the Earth Course, an 18-hole championship golf course, also the venue for the DP World Tour Championship, adding to the allure of the location. This villa is just one example of their impressive international real estate portfolio, showcasing their refined taste and long-term vision for their family's future. Valued at approximately 16 crore rupees, $1.88 million, the villa is a luxurious haven equipped with top-tier amenities. The property features cutting-edge home automation, providing seamless control over lighting, climate, and security. A Scavolini designer kitchen adds an elegant touch, blending function with high-end design, while the Bang & Olufsen home theater system elevates entertainment to the next level, ensuring a cinematic experience at home. The villa also boasts a stunning pool deck, surrounded by lush green landscaping, an ideal spot for relaxation and entertaining guests in complete privacy. Sanctuary Falls is a gated, resort-style community comprising 97 exclusive villas, offering an unmatched standard of living. It provides an atmosphere of peace and tranquility, ideal for those seeking privacy while still being close to the city's finest attractions. The Bachchans' villa is a beautiful blend of modern luxury and traditional design elements, reflecting their taste for both style and culture. The couple has made sure that the villa complements their lifestyle, with ample space for hosting friends and family while enjoying all the comforts of luxury living. The neighborhood where their villa is located is equally elite. The area is home to several other high-profile personalities from both the entertainment and business sectors, including Bollywood superstars like Shah Rukh Khan, Shilpa Shetty, and businessman Anant Ambani. The exclusivity and prestige of the location align perfectly with the Bachchans' status as one of Bollywood's most powerful and stylish couples. This Dubai villa is just one example of the couple's extensive real estate portfolio, which includes multiple luxury properties in Mumbai. Their investments in both international and national properties reflect their long-term vision of building a secure and luxurious future, not just for themselves, but also for their daughter, Aradhya. Through these acquisitions, the Bachchans continue to establish themselves as a couple who truly appreciates the finer things in life.